So this is Boatshed Cornwall. Welcome aboard this Winston Flyer water taxi, which is being sold as part of a package with us. So I'm just about to show you the interior of this taxi. I'll just make my way forward. So heading to the back of the wheelhouse. In the wheelhouse with the helm position, with engine and motion controls. This boat is currently coded Design Cat C for inshore operation for 12 passengers only. In here is a forward cabin containing all the essential safety equipment. As you see, life jackets, boarding ladder, and in fact for the winter there's even a heater. So I'll just turn around now, make my way aft down the port side. So I'm pretty much back where I started, so this concludes the interior tour of this Winston Flyer. This is Boatshed Cornwall. If you are interested in what you see, then please do not hesitate to contact us.